Online marketing is a great tool to grow your local business. With so many advertising options, many companies overlook the power of online marketing. 97% of consumers search for local businesses online. With the right plan, your local business can easily leverage this power and quickly gain more customers. Today's expert is here with some simple strategies on increasing your local business through online marketing.
The problem is that it's difficult for people to get started with business online and learn what it takes to be successful. Are you tired of never having enough funds? We have something that will help you become successful and give you the training that you need without breaking the bank. We are helping families build a business from the comfort of their homes and the good news is that it's not going to be difficult to start. There are thousands of people looking for ways to make money online every day. What's important is zoning in on the right kind of online marketing strategy that will allow your business to grab as much attention as possible and gain more customers. The decision to market an online business is easy, but you will find out pretty quickly how important it is to have the very targeted online marketing strategy that will gain customers. That's the biggest challenge. So, how will you leverage the power of online marketing? We will give you a few specific principles. Tip number 1, income producing activities. We will show you our 7-day income producing activities. Top producing activities that we do every single day bring high results. Tip number 2, we will share our social media tactics that we use from various platforms, including all the tips and strategies that we use to gain high engagement. Tip number 3, high winning mindset. We will show you how we get in the right winning mindset. In order to succeed, we need to have the right mindset. Without the right mindset, we will not succeed. Our expertise is in marketing online. We focus on helping others succeed online and make money to become financially free. For those that want to learn more, they can go to www.ips.withkendall.com where they can learn more, or they can call us at 256-781-3681. We're happy to help because with the market shift, it's important for those to stay on top of the market and with the best training.
Now that's impressive. The right online marketing strategy creates huge results for local businesses, and if you take advantage and leverage these opportunities, you'll be amazed how strategies like this not only increase revenues, but get you more customers fast. Now you've heard some great ideas. Are you ready to take the next step? Call our featured expert at the number on your screen to get started. Until next time.